Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new week of the Forex market analysis. For the coming week, we'll be taking a look at the dollar index, the EURUSD, and the GBPUSD. As I've already noted, we have these currency pairs on the watch list for the coming week, the dollar index, EURUSD, and the GBPUSD. Let us dive right in, starting with the dollar index. With the dollar index, we can clearly see from the previous market structures that we have been on a bullish run in the previous weeks. So for the dollar index to continue with its bull run, we need a move that stays above the trend line for it to go up like this. But then I'll be on the lookout for a breakout of the trend line as well as a breakout of the price of interest, which comes in on the red line. It comes in at the 96.086 level. Any breakout of this level would render the dollar index bearish, and that is what I'll be massively on the lookout for. The EURUSD, which is the next pair on the watch list, mimics the movement of the dollar index, but then it does so opposingly. So we can actually see that the EURUSD market structure is a mirror of the dollar indexes. So for the coming week, we have this downtrend line placed on the EURUSD, and we have a price of interest which comes in at this red line, and it comes in at the 1.13062 level. You can actually see that the EURUSD is currently dancing around the price of interest. So our main focus over here is the trend line that we have for the coming week. So in the coming week, if the EURUSD manages to stay below the level of the trend line, the bears are still in total control of this currency pair. But I would massively be on the lookout for a breakout of the trend line for the bulls to step in, because the EURUSD has been on a bearish run for a while now. Whatever goes down must also come up. Here comes our last pair on the watch list for the coming week, which is the GBPUSD. The GBPUSD, like the EURUSD, has also been very bearish, and we have this downtrend line placed on it to time its bearishness for the meantime. In the coming week, as long as the GBPUSD remains below the confines of the downtrend line, the bears are still in control. Expect a move to the area of the pivot level or the price of interest, as well as the area of the downtrend line, for any retest for the bearishness of the GBPUSD to continue, or if the retracement to the area of the trend line comes, expect a breakout of the trend line. The price of interest comes in at the 1.132814. So a break of that level with the downtrend line would confirm the GBPUSD's bullishness. On the fundamental side of things, the economic calendar doesn't have much pertaining to the currency pairs that we'll be looking forward to trade in the coming week, but then there are still a number of economic announcements that you need to take note of, but because they can affect the currencies that we trade in some form. So on Tuesday, the RBA interest rate decision would be announced. And key on Wednesday is the Bank of Canada's interest rate decision. Thursday will be a seemingly quiet day. Then on Friday, we have the GDP from Great Britain, which will be announced. That will be the only announcement that will be affecting the pair that we'll be looking forward to trade in the GBPUSD. I wish you a profitable trading week, and see you next week if there are any good setups.